You and I are on the defensive side. We're trying to protect things, and AI can be helpful there. We turn our attention to the offense. Um, Curious what you say. It's been my experience that the offensive campaigns are starting to leverage AI in a way that I don't know whether the word frightening is right. It may be, it's hard to say, but what do you think? Like, I mean, if at some point anything we can do on the defensive side, you can do on the offensive side. You seeing some of that?
Yeah, I mean, we're seeing far more sophisticated and well. Let's just talk about phishing because I think that's something everybody sees
Good.
every day, right? But they're they're getting better and better because of the use of AI often, right? So I think then too, from a defensive perspective, we have to kind of mimic what the attackers are doing. And so that, the best defense is a good offense, or you can flip them around, right? But I truly believe in that. So whether you're taking the OWASP, and the reason why I'm saying this is we run our own private LLM, right? So we, as the security practitioners, we want to try to break that. So we still have to have an offensive mindset in order to know where our defenses are strong and where there are gaps. And then through automation, this is now like really well suited because we can take a lot of the data, context, examples, prompts, and everything else, and just put them against our development systems and then automate the testing, right? To make sure that we are doing what we're supposed to be doing. But I think holistically, from looking at the external attack surface, um, you got to read a lot. You got to see where other people are being targeted. And there's ISACs out there that will probably share some good information, what they're seeing, as well as other, cyber threat intelligence providers. So read a lot, analyze a lot, and test a lot, I think is what's going to make you better. And that still takes that human, like, hey, let's we may have a gap here. Let's figure out if this is worth our time to automate, or is there a third party product that can help us do this? So like build versus buy.